It's okay.
So yeah, we need to follow the dispersion studies and apply the restriction accordingly. Upper Zakum was 15.7, but maybe for lower Zakum maybe be higher because of the sour fluid and drilling, depending on where the rig is at that time.
All right.
The restriction definition will change, Chairman.
Yeah, I've changed it. I make it R8 because hydrocarbon. Because R8 is hydrocarbon. Fire and explosion due to the LOPC.
That's the worst case.
No, the definition is little bit not that much clarity is not there. What will we have? What type of restriction? This one, the definition itself.
I mean, what we are saying that if you have well activation may have some chance of hydrocarbon leakage. When you have a hydrocarbon leakage, it can create fire and explosion. So that is why I am putting in R8 category. Right?
Okay, Chairman, R8 is okay, fine, as per the current definition, but that definition doesn't give good fire and probably you put it, but what type of...
in case of LOPC, of hydrocarbon.
So it's prohibited, then why it's R8? I mean, if there's a chance of explosion, fire, why are you keeping it as R8?
No,
I mean, it's really prohibited, right?
No, depends. If there's no leakage, but there is susceptibility. There is a possibility of leakage. So that is why we are making R8. We have to have proper dispersion analysis as well as IRPA calculation, LSIR calculation as per the drilling QRA. So the proposer who are going to do these jobs, he will come back to company with the QRA report, and he will explain what are the controls are there, and accordingly the QRA report, he will ensure the controls. So
correct.
Yeah. So let us not make it simple. Let us make it R8, and this will be reviewed thoroughly at the time of this SAMOS. Yeah. Well intervention, I will again put R8 because well intervention can create fire and explosion because of LOPC scenario. We'll keep it this one. So guys, I want to understand from you, Vijay and team. See, as I told you that I am not very much expert of the drilling. You guys are expert. Well stimulation. Will this create any LOPC or only is prohibited activity?